3 attraction killers making you invisible to women. Ever have that feeling? You're talking to a woman and you see her eyes start to glaze over you. Her replies get shorter. She starts looking at her phone and you're left with no idea what went wrong. It's a frustrating, confusing feeling that makes you feel unseen. Here's the truth. It was probably a mistake that you didn't even know you were making. We're about to expose the 3 subconscious habits that instantly make you invisible to women. Being an attention seeker, having a low effort appearance, and being a conversational vampire. Stick with me to the very end because I'll share the one simple mindset adjustment that ties all of this together. Attraction killer 1, the validation seeker. Neediness is the fastest way to kill attraction. It shows up when you chase her approval instead of standing on your own values and interests. You mirror her opinions, hide your real taste, and treat her like a judge instead of a person. That doesn't read as nice, it reads as weak and uncertain. The fix is to flip the frame, build a life you're proud of, have your own opinions, and quietly ask yourself, do I even like her? A man on his mission doesn't beg for validation, he chooses. Attraction killer number 2, the low effort appearance. Your look is the gatekeeper to your personality. If your grooming is sloppy and your clothes look careless, she never sticks around long enough to discover your depth. Messy hair, bad breath, dirty nails, and wrinkled clothes all scream, I don't respect myself. Instead, lock in the basics. Daily shower, solid deodorant, clean teeth, trimmed nails, and a simple, well-fitted outfit that's one step above the occasion. Add a subtle, clean scent. You're not trying to be a model per se, just a man who clearly respects himself and the moment. If you're seeing yourself in these patterns and you're ready to actually fix them instead of guessing, my private coaching program is built for you. We'll create a personalized plan to upgrade your confidence, style, and conversations from the ground up. Prices are scheduled to increase soon, so check out the first link in the description of the pinned comment to lock in your spot and rate. Killer number 3, the conversational vampire. Attraction dies fast when every conversation revolves around you, your problems, or rapid-fire small talk. Talking nonstop, interrogating her with surface-level questions, or uploading your past trauma makes her feel drained, not drawn in. Great conversations are light, curious, and balanced. Aim to listen more than you speak. Ask questions about what excites her, and stay in the green zone of fun stories, passion, and future plans. Add a little bit of playful teasing to create tension. Your job isn't to impress, it's to make the moment enjoyable. So let's recap the 3 attraction killers that make you invisible. Number 1, being the validation seeker who needs her approval to feel worthy. Number 2, having a low effort appearance that signals disrespect for yourself and for her. And number 3, being a conversational vampire who makes the entire interaction all about him. Every man has made at least one of these mistakes. I've made all of them. But every mistake is a lesson in disguise. The key isn't to become a perfect, calculated robot, but to build a life you're proud of and to attract women who you actually genuinely like. That mindset adjustment that I promised, it's realizing that true attraction is a byproduct of your own self-respect. And listen, if you want to fast track your results and get personalized guidance, my private coaching program is the most effective way to do it. The price is increasing soon as demand goes up. So if you're ready to commit, hit the first link in the description or the pinned comment while it's at its most affordable point. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to love this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.